Hi. In our video yesterday, which is the 10th of May, we had concluded that Nifty was weak and Bank Nifty was strong. And we explained why we felt it was strong. We also had illustrated Kotak Mahindra Bank chart. So let's see today as to what happened and did it go the way we thought that it will. So if we look at Nifty um, from the day perspective, Nifty opened at 16,270. In fact, almost 35 points higher than the previous day's close, and went to a high of 16,318. So about 76 to 78 points higher than the previous day's close. But then quick selling in about 15 minutes, and Nifty tanked, and intraday lost almost 300 plus points to test a low of 15,992. Now, if you see the importance of channels again, you will see that Nifty, it was attempted to push Nifty below the support line channel that you see, the black line channel. An attempt was made. If you see, if you look at the wick has protruded outside the channel, way below at 15,922. But there was a smart recovery thanks to Bank Nifty and many other stocks that rallied. And so this is the Bank Nifty chart. For the last two sessions, I've been continuously, kind of repeating that Bank Nifty is strong and is likely to take Nifty along. And today, that's exactly what happened. So Bank Nifty, on the contrary, today broke out of the channel, the resistance channel, the red line that you see, and has closed above the channel, which is a very good indication, which is a very strong indication. But Nifty and Bank Nifty have to move together. They cannot be out of sync. So, and Bank Nifty, all said and done, is a constituent of Nifty. So if Nifty is unable to support Bank Nifty, then it'll kind of even drag it down at some point. So it's important that Nifty catches up, does a catch up, and tries to regain lost ground so that, recovery of the levels that were lost are quickly done. Let's also look as to what Kotak Mahindra Bank did. We were so bullish on Kotak Mahindra Bank yesterday. So let's see what it did today. And it actually played exactly to script. And not only did it, continue the breakout that happened yesterday, it closed at a healthy number at 1809.95. So it's a very bullish pattern. And I think in the next probably 10 to 15 sessions, it'll kind of move to its target if Bank Nifty and Nifty does well, and it's not pulled down by the other constituents. Now let's look at Nifty once again to see as to what happened and how did it recover so fast. So after the day low of 15,992 was made, Nifty actually took support on this trend, falling trend line support, and rallied. Now this pattern is exactly the reverse of a head and shoulder. Now, in a typical head and shoulder pattern, one captures the fall from the head to the neckline and tries to decipher a target. In an inverted head and shoulder, this is exactly the same stuff, but you invert the particular pattern. So this is an inverted head and shoulder pattern that Nifty has made on a 15-minute time frame. And this holds valid. This is true. This can also yield fantastic gains. Now, the price range for this pattern is about 140 odd points. So if we were to place this price range target at the breakout point, then there is every possibility that Nifty will retest 16,325, provided no selling, resumes tomorrow in tomorrow's session. So these patterns are also powerful, and if this pattern were to succeed, then Nifty would probably retest the 16,325 level that it attempted this morning. So that's a possibility. So let's see how this pattern plays out. It's going to be a tough fight between Nifty and Bank Nifty. Both are trying to pull each other in different directions. Ultimately, they will sink in. Either Nifty will go along and start rallying along with Bank Nifty, or it will pull Bank Nifty as well down. So for now, it's a tough fight. One has to trade really with tight stop losses and clear targets, and not stay too long in trades. So let's see how this fight unfolds tomorrow. Thank you so much. If you do like this video, please press the like button. And if you want to have regular updates, please also subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. The entire learning and study in these sessions are purely for educational purposes, and they do not purport to be any trade recommendations.